Welcome to my roundup of the top 5 best personal blenders of 2026. The ultimate lineup for smoothie lovers, fitness enthusiasts, and busy professionals who want healthy drinks on the go. Whether you're blending fruit smoothies, protein shakes, or refreshing juices, these compact machines combine power, portability, and convenience. Today's models feature rechargeable batteries, durable blades, sleek designs, and easy-to-clean systems, giving you the confidence to enjoy fresh blends anytime, anywhere. In this guide, I'll walk you through the top options available this year and help you choose the perfect personal blender for your lifestyle. Check the description for the latest deals. And let's start strong with the best portable blenders of 2026. Kicking things off with the Paramex View Portable Blender. The Paramex View Portable Blender is the compact champion designed for everyday use. With its rechargeable battery, it delivers portability that makes blending possible at home, the office, or the gym. I love how its stainless steel blades crush ice and fruit with ease, ensuring smooth results every time. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry, while the detachable cup doubles as a travel mug. The one-button operation adds simplicity, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes Paramex View attractive is its balance of portability and performance. It's strong enough for smoothies, yet compact enough to fit in a backpack. For anyone who wants a reliable blender for on-the-go use, the Paramex View Portable Blender is a smart pick. Coming in next is the Geniza Blender for Smoothies. The Geniza Blender for Smoothies is the multitasking marvel built for versatility. With its powerful motor, it handles fruits, vegetables, and protein powders with ease. I appreciate its large capacity, which makes it suitable for bigger servings or sharing with friends. Its rechargeable battery ensures portability, while the durable blades deliver consistent performance. The sleek design adds style, and the detachable cup makes cleaning simple. What makes Geniza stand out is its adaptability. It's perfect for fitness enthusiasts who want smoothies before or after workouts. For anyone who values power and convenience, the Geniza Blender for Smoothies is a fantastic option. Turning our attention to the Color Limo 12-piece smoothie blender. The Color Limo 12-piece smoothie blender is the complete kit designed for serious smoothie lovers. With 12 pieces, it includes multiple cups, lids, and accessories, making it versatile for different recipes and serving sizes. I love how its powerful motor ensures smooth blends, while the durable construction adds reliability. Its compact design makes it easy to store, while the included accessories expand its functionality. The clearly marked cups add convenience, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes Color Limo attractive is its value. It offers a comprehensive set without the premium price tag. For anyone who wants a complete smoothie solution, the Color Limo 12-piece blender is a great choice. Let's check out the Twirler Blender for Smoothies. The Twirler Blender for Smoothies is the stylish option that blends modern design with practical performance. With its rechargeable battery, it delivers portability for on-the-go use. I appreciate its compact size, which makes it perfect for small kitchens, offices, or travel. Its stainless steel blades ensure smooth blends, while the detachable cup adds convenience. The sleek design enhances any kitchen, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes Twirler attractive is its focus on design. It's proof that blenders can be both functional and stylish. For anyone who wants a blender that looks as good as it performs, the Twirler Blender is a delightful choice. Wrapping things up with the NutriBullet Personal Blender. The NutriBullet Personal Blender is the trusted classic from a brand known for blending excellence. With its powerful motor, it delivers smooth results for fruits, vegetables, and protein shakes. I love how its compact design makes it easy to store, while still offering strong performance. Its durable blades ensure reliability, while the included cups and lids add convenience. The sleek design enhances any kitchen, and the affordable price makes it accessible. What makes NutriBullet attractive is its reputation. It's trusted by millions for dependable performance. For anyone who wants a reliable, professional-grade blender, the NutriBullet Personal Blender is a solid contender. All of these personal blenders bring something valuable to the table depending on your lifestyle and blending needs. The Paramex View Portable Blender is perfect for on-the-go use with its rechargeable battery. The Geniza Blender for Smoothies offers versatility with a larger capacity. The Color Limo 12-piece blender delivers a complete kit for serious smoothie lovers. The Twirler Blender emphasizes stylish design with practical features. And the NutriBullet Personal Blender stands out as the trusted classic for dependable performance. When choosing a personal blender, it's important to consider motor power, portability, accessories, and design. Rechargeable batteries add convenience, while durable blades ensure smooth blends. Larger capacities suit families or fitness enthusiasts, while compact designs are perfect for travel. Accessories like cups and lids add value, making the blender more versatile. Trusted brands provide reliability, while stylish options enhance your kitchen. That wraps up my top 5 best personal blenders of 2026. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or a smoothie lover, there's a perfect blender here for you. These devices represent the best balance of convenience, performance, and value, helping you enjoy fresh blends anytime, anywhere. So, if you're ready to upgrade your smoothie routine, check the description below for the latest deals and grab the blender that fits your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more kitchen appliance reviews and buying guides. With the right personal blender, you'll enjoy healthier drinks, faster mornings, and the satisfaction of blending your favorite recipes with ease. Power up your nutrition, simplify your routine, and enjoy the perfect smoothie every day.